Hello Internet Video Viewing World, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have another package opening video of the Evercool Transformer 4 CPU cooler, model HPJ-12025. And let's take a closer look at the front of the package. There's the cooler itself, and a picture of the cooler, and Transformer 4. And on the side of the box it gives some Intel and AMD specs, and some more pictures of the cooler. And there are the AMD and Intel. And on the back of the box it gives you some features and specifications, and on the side of the box it gives some more AMD specs. And let's open this up and see what's on the inside. On the back flap, there's an installation guide for the AMD Intel 775 and i7-1366. And let's open this box up. And it has another installation guide. Oh, and as we drop it on the floor, we have the Evercool thermal compound. We have some installation hardware and screws and washers and standoffs and whatnot here. And the AMD and Intel backplate right here and here goes on the back of the motherboard. Let's see if I can remove this without destroying anything. The fan power cables, they are 3-pin each. They are sleeved. Here is the one of the 120mm fans. Here is the other 120, so there are two 120s in there. There are 4 heat pipes. Runs as direct touch. And I must say that that is pretty smooth. Let me put the warning label back on. And there's a look at the side. The top, and what's really cool about this and thank you for watching, and I'll have a install and review video to follow, and remember to subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you.
Glance, your smile, amazing, breathtaking in simplicity.